noise rather than go recycle. So it does make a certain amount of noise, but it's not that bad. We have tile floors here in the hot kitchen. I generally tend to run it during the day. I'm going to open it up so you can see what it's like inside. You see that there are just a fairly simple number of dials there. Heated dry, no heat dry, normal wash, heavy pots and pans, plate warmer, dry, rinse, rinse only. Inside there's the place where you add the soap. This is the silverware tray that I did keep from my previous machine. I'll show you the one that actually comes in there. You see that thing in the middle there is where there's a tube that comes up from inside here. It pulls up and then the water squirts out, and that actually seems to do the dishes extremely well. Have a little steam here. Seems a bit smaller than my previous one, but I honestly don't notice a lot of difference in terms of how much I'm able to fit into the washer. There's one thing that is a little different. It doesn't seem to have a, you can see way in the back there, there's a place where the dirty extra food goes, and I do have to clean that out, but I actually like that better than having it go down my drain. I kind of know what's been going down in there. And overall, I really have enjoyed it. I think that it does a great job in cleaning the dishes, much better actually than my last 3 Kenmores. And here is the original basket. So you could use that if that's enough for you, but as many people have suggested, you can also just add this new one. Amana. You can hear how it reduces the noise right now. Recycle.